Are you looking for one of the most feature-rich and user-friendly solutions on the web that combines email, cloud storage, productivity software, calendars, and more? Well, if you are, G Suite is the answer. G Suite is the solution to a number of different productivity problems facing most companies and organizations. You have 24/7 access to your documents and files from anywhere in the world with G Suite for Business. It offers solutions for email, word processing, spreadsheets, presentation decks, shared calendars, cloud storage, and much more. But what do each of these tools have to offer your organization? Well, the first reason to use G Suite is because of their data security, which is important to every business no matter the size. You can store, access, and share files safely with Google Drive from any device. G Suite for Business stores information in Google data centers to keep your data safe. Most important, if your servers fail, you would not lose your data because all the information remains in the cloud. G Suite also offers easier communication with their app named Hangouts. You can start group chats and video conferences up to 150 people. You can also record live stream video meetings on YouTube and Google+.
G Suite can be used from small businesses all the way to Fortune 500 corporations. Now, more than 5 million paying businesses are using G Suite to work faster, smarter, and more collaboratively every day. Any business that is looking for a faster, more reliable office suite should be using G Suite. Businesses such as Verizon, Netflix, and Spotify are also using G Suite. Businesses should choose G Suite for a number of reasons, but one specific reason would be the size of the market. Google's G Suite and Microsoft Office 365 split up the market, with G Suite being the market leader. It has the largest market share in productivity office suites. The size of the market for this application tells people that it is a very reliable and credible source.
G Suite's support infrastructure is vast and extremely accessible. On your G Suite admin dashboard, simply click the support button near the bottom. This opens a virtual assistant where you can pick how to get your support. Google recommends that you chat with a Google support agent, but you can choose to call, email, or search the directory for help yourself. Whichever option you choose, you can learn anything about G Suite through any of the options. G Suite has a large impact on businesses with the ease of use and application. The G Suite's platform offers complicated tech and cloud computing at an affordable price, and they make it simple. For example, you can use it to audit and moderate all apps on the dashboard. If you go into reports, you can look at device usage, aggregate reports, and you can make sure that G Suite is being used correctly by your employees.
When it comes to pricing, G Suite does a fantastic job of hosting a user-friendly, all-in-one source that gives you the access to the power and usability of Google in your business. G Suite can help you keep tabs on every aspect of your business with this subscription-based online way to run your company. When it comes to pricing, there are multiple levels, depending on what you are looking to get out of G Suite. The first level is basic. This costs a company $6 per month per user. This level gives you the basic access to G Suite features and allows you to create users, structure organizational units, and also share documents company-wide. The second level is G Suite Business. This costs $12 per user per month. This level gives you basic access as well as additional services and applications you can't get with the basic level. The more you can invest into G Suite, the more we'll offer in return. The third level is G Suite Enterprise. This plan costs $25 per month per user. This level will give the optimal usage of all that G Suite has to offer. Act now to get started with a free 14-day trial to see how well G Suite can work for your business.
Another incredible thing G Suite delivers is the time and effort to adopt to the technology. G Suite wants to make sure everyone, everywhere, will be able to use this technology with little to no training. After the initial setup by the admin, the user will receive an email and password and be able to rock and roll with no hesitation. So as you can see here, while creating the user, You go through, fill out all the necessary information, click Add User, and from there you will get the email and password that you can send to them. Even if you're not familiar with the technology or G Suite, within 10 minutes of playing around and navigating the site, you will almost be an expert guaranteed. One of G Suite's goals was to ensure an easy and efficient way for small businesses to start up and get going for less money. By doing this, the people operating the business, like you guys, can spend more time actually working and being productive, which ultimately puts more money into your pockets. I personally believe G Suite hit a home run with this program, and I think if you'd try it, you would too.